Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our another video. My name is Nasir and I am student of Vahan College. So today our topic is how to make better decision and avoid regret. So we will ask from ChatGPT and let's start it. Uh, First of all, we are click on the start voice. Hello, ChatGPT, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm here. What's on your mind?
Yeah, I'm fine. And today I thought I will ask you some question about how to make better decision and avoiding errors. So are you ready?
Go ahead, I'm ready.
So let's start it. About the same topic. I will ask you some question, and my first question is, what is decision making?
Decision making is the process of choosing the best option among different alternatives. So, it usually involves identifying the problem, gathering information, weighing different outcomes, and picking the option that aligns most with your values or your goals.
That's good. Now my second question is the same topic. Why is the decision making important in our life?
It's important because the choices you make shape your path. Good decisions can move you toward what you want. Bad ones can cost you time, energy, even relationships. So, learning to think clearly and avoid impulsive choices reduces regret over the long run.
Can you repeat again? Because I didn't get it properly. So can you explain more?
Sure, good decision making matters because it decide your direction in life. When you think carefully, you avoid unnecessary mistakes that you might regret. It's basically about slowing down, checking the facts, and asking, will I still be okay with this choice a week, a year from now?
That's good. Now my third question is how do our decision and discipline affect our future?
They work together. Decisions set the direction, discipline keeps you on that path, even when motivation disappears. So, good decisions plus steady discipline usually lead to better long term results. It's like decisions choose the road, but discipline keeps you moving.
That's good. My another question is what cases people make poor decisions?
Most bad decisions happen when emotions like fear, anger, or pressure take over and beat logic. Also, rushing things without enough information or copying what others do without thinking if it fits your situation. And when you're tired or distracted, judgment gets worse. So, rest and clarity matter more than people think.
That's good. Now my another question is same topic. Uh, how to emotion affect decision making?
Emotions can blur the judgment. Fear can make you avoid risks that might actually be good, and anger can push you into reckless choices. But
Listen,
awareness of,
why you
yeah,
always slowly? Can you say fastly because I can't understand so you're telling so slowly.
sure. Emotions influence what you pay attention to. Fear makes you overly cautious. Anger makes you impatient or aggressive. Calmness helps balance things. So, taking a pause before deciding can save you from rash moves.
I'm not very good. My other question is why is the risky make decision when angry?
Because anger narrows your thinking. You focus on winning or punishing someone instead of what's actually best for you. That often leads to choices you regret later.
Uh, how can stress influence our choice?
Stress makes it harder to think long term. You go into survival mode. So, quick fixes look more attractive than smart long term ones. That's why stress management matters for making good choices.
Uh, that's good. Now I will ask you another question here, my second topic. Why should we focus on the long-term goals?
Focus on what still matters to you months from now, not what's urgent right this second. Check if a choice matches your values, your health, and your direction. If it only gives quick relief but messes things up later, it's probably off track.
That's good. Now I'm asking you another question. The same topic. Uh,
Mhm.
what does it mean to make an informed decision?
It means you've actually checked the facts, considered your options, thought through the likely outcomes. You're not just going with a hunch or copying somebody else.
Uh, what can we learn from the mistake or mistake?
Mistakes show you what doesn't work. They can highlight where your blind spots are. If you reflect without beating yourself up, you get clearer judgment for next time. You also learn how to spot the warning signs earlier in the future
Why is getting information important?
because decisions without facts are just guesses. The more reliable info you have, the more confidently you can choose and explain that choice.
That's good. Uh, what is the risk to making quick decisions?
Quick decisions can overlook details, lock you into a bad path, or create problems you'd have to clean up later. Sometimes speed helps, but if the stakes are high, a few extra minutes can save you a lot of grief later.
That's good. Uh, why is the presence important for decision making?
Presence keeps you aware of what is actually happening, not just what you're fearing or hoping. That clarity improves both the choice and your confidence in it.
Uh-huh. My question is maybe it's the last question. I will ask you my last question. Why is the reflection important after making a decision?
Reflection helps you study what went right and what didn't. It turns experience into actual learning. So you're less likely to repeat mistakes.
Uh, and thank you so much for answering me.
You're welcome.
And I was video for YouTube, for Facebook, and for LinkedIn. So
Hmm.
thank you so much.
If you want, I can also help you script or outline that content.
And which was how many tabs will you have?
How many what?
Tabs you have about ChatGPT about your version.
Oh, just this session here.
That's good. Accepted. Accepted. By the way, it's time to end this video. We will meet to another video. Thank you so much for watching, and Allah Hafiz.
All right, take care. Allah Hafiz.